Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I have a router from TP-Link. The model number of this router is AC1200. It is a mesh Wi-Fi router and it supports full gigabit with MU-MIMO support. It is a dual band router, that is it supports 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. On the left side of the box, here are some features and specification mentioned over there. On the right side of the box, it is mentioned that how you can configure this router. The router can be configured in two ways, via web interface, via Chrome or Internet Explorer, or you can use TP-Link Tether app. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. On the back of the box, some main features are highlighted over there. So let's open the box and see what all we get within the box. So here is the actual device, the router, and along with the router we get also a power brick. There is also some quick installation guide which you can follow to configure this router. So along with the router we get a RJ45 cable which is a Cat6 cable. The power adapter which we receive within the box, it's a 12 volt power adapter which will be used as a power supply for this router. The actual device is wrapped within a plastic cover, so we will remove the cover from the router. The build quality of the router is quite good. On the top of the router, it has a mesh finish structure which will not catch fingerprint easily, but it will catch dust. On the back side of the router, the default SSID and the password is written. It will require to set up the router for the first time. So here are some ports and buttons on the router. The first one is the power button. The second one is for power supply. And this one is the WAN port. And there are 4 gigabit port which you can use as a LAN. And this one is a WPS button, and below that there is a reset switch. You can reset the router to its default factory settings. In order to set up the router, you need to download this TP-Link app and go to your Wi-Fi settings to connect this device to your router, and the credential will be mentioned in the back side of the router. The app will detect your device as it is showing Archer C6. Now log into this device and you need to create a password to access this device. Now select static IP and tap on next. After that you need to provide the IP addresses provided by your internet provider. Now give a network name and the password in order to connect with the router wirelessly. So now it will configure your router and it will take some time. So the configuration has been completed and you need to disconnect it from your network. And again select the network and provide the new password which you have created just right now, and it will connect with the network and you will be able to see your internet provider login page. With this app you can do various things, like you can see the active clients which are connected to this network, and also you can set up a guest network through this app. That's it for this video today. So if you like this content of the video, please like this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the further notification regarding this channel. So thank you for watching.